NCERT Physics Class 11th, second chapter, which is Unit and Measurement, question number 2.4. So in this we have two statements are given and we have to clarify that to call a dimensional quantity that is large or small is meaningless without specifying a standard for comparison. So whenever you call the something which is large or less, so with a reference level you can say that particular thing is large or particular thing is small. So the comparison is done only with a reference level. For example, in part A, atoms are very small object. So atoms are a small object in comparison to what? In comparison to the objects which we use in daily life. Example, atoms are a small object in comparison to, in reference to, let's say books, table, etc. So in this we are making the comparison between the books and atom size. So in reference to books or table, the atoms are very small. A jet plane move with great speed. Yes, this can be done in reference to. So in with reference, in whose reference the speed of jet plane is very high. So with respect to, if we talk with respect to cyclist, in comparison to cyclist, the speed of jet plane is very high. The mass of Jupiter is very large. This can be compared with respect to mass of moon. So in comparison to moon, the mass of Jupiter is very large. The air inside the room contains large number of molecules. So it can be comparison which can be done. A molecule in a particular molecule in 1 meter cube in comparison with molecule in a room. So molecule in 1 meter cube are very less and in comparison to molecule in room. So the air inside this room contain large number of molecule. So this can be compared with molecules in 1 meter cube of volume. Proton is much more massive than electron. Yes, there is a comparison between mass of electron and mass of proton. Although the proton has less mass, but in comparison to electron, the mass of proton is high. Speed of sound is much smaller. Although speed of sound is high, but in comparison to speed of light, the speed of sound is less. So whenever we can say that something is large or small, we need to compare the particular reference point is taken, that in which reference the particular thing is large or small.